Hi guys, my name is Gavin, and this will just be a quick tutorial on how to control another object in the game engine from another object's script. I will be using some Python, and I'm just gonna get started. To start off, let's right-click on this cube right here and hit X delete, and then right-click on this, not this cube, the camera, sorry. Then right-click on this light and hit X delete. Next, on this cube in the middle, I'm gonna hit Shift and C to make sure that the crosshair goes back in the middle. And with our cube selected, I'm going to hit Shift and D to copy this cube. And on the second cube that we made, I'm just going to name it as cube all lowercase. So we're going to rename this as cube like that. So it's all lowercase, and then this is going to be the cube with the capital C. Let's then go into the game engine by doing defaults to game logic and going from Blender render to Blender game. Next, on this first cube, the one that's in the middle, let's add a Python sensor, or add an always sensor, sorry. Like that, then click these first three dots, and add a controller Python right here and connect these. Next, let's create a script for our player by doing templates, Python, and game logic simple, like this. Let's drag this out. Delete the portion that I've highlighted, like so, and hit Control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. I'm then going to rename this as scripts.py, like that. Add the script right here, and we're good. So what we want to do is get the scene into our game. So let's do scene is going to equal bg.logic.get current scene, like that. We just need this so that we can get multiple objects into our script. As you can see over here, if we right click on our other cube, it's just got the name cube and it's all lowercase. So let's apply the variable name cube. Let's have cube is going to equal scene.objects cube, like that. That'll work. Next, what we're going to do is on our object that has a script connected to it, let's add a game property, change it from float to boolean, and let's just rename this as rotate. And let's click this to make it true. Alright, next what we're going to do is have it so that our cube that we imported into our one script is going to actually rotate when the boolean operator on this cube right here is true, which it is. So let's have if own rotate is equal to true, like that. What we're going to do is have cube dot apply rotation. Then what we're going to do is have 1, 0, 0. Let's have true like that. If we hit P to play, we should see our cube is going to rotate like that, and that's rotating on the x-axis. So as you can see, it's rotating this way. If we change it to rotate on the y-axis, it'll rotate in a circular pattern like this, which it is. And if we change it to rotate on the z-axis, it'll rotate like this. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. But for the time being, thanks for watching and have a good day.